China. They're just too big and too independent at this point. But by leaving Venezuela out of the global banking system, the US made it almost impossible for the country to trade and to ship oil or even buy parts for its infrastructure. Insurance companies don't want to touch them. Ships avoid their ports. So, yeah, of course their economy is going to collapse into corruption. We're like, see, you guys need freedom and capitalism. But I think there's an irony to all of this, which is the harder the US squeezes, the more Venezuela turns to countries like China and Russia and Iran for help. That's how new alliances are created here. It's not because they share the same values. It's because the enemy of my enemy is my friend. Every time the US pushes someone out of the dollar system, that country joins a long list of countries that are like, yo, join the club, right? So that's exactly what we're watching right now. It's the creation of a new energy/monetary system that runs without the US in the middle of it. Saudi Arabia is joining BRICS. China signing oil deals in yuan backed by gold now. Russia's trading energy through its own payment networks. Venezuela is sort of helping energize that system by shipping oil to China outside the dollar. All of it, over time, I think, contributes to this chart, the slow erosion of US dollar leverage. And once you lose control of that, you lose control of everything. And every time something like this happens, the story is always kind of the same, right? It becomes an appeal to your moral values, whatever they may be, to justify a conflict that resets this game. Now, if you made it this far, here's my personal thoughts. I understand that it's really easy for me to be an armchair critic of geopolitics. I can't even begin to understand what it takes to run a country, let alone a superpower. Being a leader is hard, and making those decisions is very hard. And as a completely irrelevant creator that's not even in the top 500 on a particular social media platform, I'm not here to tell you whether any of this is good or bad. That's way beyond my pay grade. But if I had to guess, I think we're going to see more and more of these types of conflicts. Whether or not we declare them as a war or not, I think we'll see more of them. My goal is just to try to understand what's happening to the world, generally and directionally speaking, so that I can critically think about these things for myself, and I hope it's helped you do that too. As always, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to see you back here next week. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.